So you've seen the TV commercials for these testosterone booster dietary supplements, usually featuring older athletes. A lot of these products, as I've seen over the years, contain a lot of the same ingredients in different bottles. I've done some videos on them, so you might want to check out my previous videos, but they contain things like this D-aspartic acid or tribulus terrestis. They may contain ginger, other things as well. But the real question is, how do you know if they really work? Well, I'm going to tell you how they really work. So this is what I suggest you do. Find a dietary supplement, a testosterone booster supplement that you think is worth your time and effort. Then take it for a month. Do not change anything else. Don't change your exercise routine. Do not change your dietary routine. Don't change the foods you eat. Just take the supplement. Make everything the same. The only thing that's different is you're taking the supplement. Now, before you do that, get your testosterone levels tested. You can do this with your doctor. There are home kits you can purchase online. Test your testosterone first. Take one of these dietary supplements as directed for a month, and then test your testosterone levels again. Test your free testosterone and your total testosterone levels, and you tell me, did anything change? Ultimately, that's the only way to know if a testosterone booster works. Now, you may not want to go to that extent, but let's consider some of these products are really expensive, sometimes almost $100 a month expensive. So if you take a little bit of time up front, get your testosterone levels measured first, and after a month, you might find yourself being able to save quite a bit of money in the long run. For more information on the science of supplements, check me out on YouTube. Until next time, take care.